connecting transportation pathways that connecting us more deeply as a people. Let's give a round of applause to the Honorable Minister of State, SCP, Dr. Maria Mahmood. His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, continues to receive encomiums and accolades for his infrastructural dexterity across the nation. 2 years into his government, Abuja has received a facelift, and the taste of democracy under his renewed hope agenda is in the eating. Among those who have embodied the renewed hope agenda at the very highest level is the man in whom Mr. President is well pleased. To be in charge of FCT, as my children would say, is not beans. His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu lives in Abuja, but to pretend the whole of Nigeria, so his eyes are keenly on the city and the environs in which he lives. Let us welcome the man who Mr. President fondly calls our landlord, the man whose assignments are all done with approval from and on behalf of Mr. President. Please welcome the Honorable Minister of the FCT,
Mr. President, ably represented functional Senate President upon God's will, Abati, Grand Commander of the Order of the Niger, Your Excellency, the Deputy Senate President, my dear good brother, Senator Barrow, Commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, distinguished senators that are here, the National Chairman of the All Progressive Congress, the Honorable Minister of State for the FCT, my dear brother, the former governors of Abia, Benue, Enugu, and Ekiti State, the National Vice Chairman of APC, South-South, the National Vice Chairman of PDP, South-South, National Secretary of PDP, our dear leaders that are here, the Head of Service, Permanent Secretaries, Mandate Secretaries, former Deputy Speaker of the House of Reps, our dear traditional rulers that are here, gentlemen of the press, the Apple mechanics traders that are here. Happy birthday to our good friend, Senator Tanimu Aduda, Philip Aduda, that is here today. My chairman, Senate Committee, Area Council, and other Fulani matters, Senator Jinkuta. Mr. President, today is the third day you started inaugurating projects in the FCT. You started on the 10th, then on Tuesday. On Wednesday 11th, you were agreeing to commission the interchange, the road linking by Tama, Jahi, and the Katampe areas. Today, the 13th of June, you are commissioning the Apo to Wasa access of the southern road. Excellency, just like the Executive Secretary of the FCDA said, this road was awarded in 2017. I was awarded at a cost of $6 billion. But in 2021, there was variation that got to 21 billion. However, contractors were not on site. Why? Money was not being paid to the companies as part of their policy to making sure that every project that has been abandoned or left attached to must be completed. It is important to give this clarification for people to know that part of their policy is not for you just to award contract, but they will say that, oh, you are the one who awarded contract. You have had it and you have said it time without number that look, every project, whether awarded in your schedule or during your predecessor, must be completed. And today is one of those projects that has been completed. So when we came on board in August 2023, like I said on Wednesday, the same company that did that receipt is the same company that has done this. It was not an easy thing. You see the mechanic area there. Those who know this old road will attest to the fact that it's been horrible. If you are going to Apo, it's better we leave early. It's been so terrific that it slows down economic activities. But in order to decongest and open up, we told the contractor that, are you sure you can finish this road within so time? They said yes. And it's a policy that money will be made available. And to the glory of God, money was made available, and today you are here to commission this road. Those of us who are crying that grand rent and grand rent, see what grand rent has done. See grand rent. See what grand rent has done. 15 kilometers. I will encourage you to drive down to Water Junction. In fact, I thought that this commissioning would take place where the rock was broken into two. You see, it is easy, of course, from Naira Road. Instead of Naira Road, like the executive secretary said, far for it from rock. And that is the beauty of this place. So we're happy that we're here today. From Wasama, you can go to Takushera. From Takushera, you can go to Akpoti-Uduaghan. What? I don't know the date that it is for Akpoti-Uduaghan to Takushera. These are roads within the communities that have now opened up the communities. There is no need to live in the city again. From Akpoti-Uduaghan, 10 minutes here in the city. And this is what has been lacking before now. And the president has made it clear his business is not just to develop the city, but to also open up the community so they will have the very positive impact of governance. I want to thank you for the support. It's not easy, but you really showed that there are two things. You can give somebody opportunity to serve, but the person may not have the support. Giving you a position is not enough, but giving you the support for you to achieve is another thing altogether. Mr. President gave us the position to work with him. He's not just gave us position, he has given us every support that is required where the two ministers are hardly not liked by many people. We are not being liked because of the support Mr. President has given. But it's not our fault. It's not our fault. If you have a father, he chooses to like this one, why would he tell me that he likes us? Do something so that he will like you. So Mr. President likes us. He has given us support and will not disappoint him. And let me thank the National Assembly, particularly the Senate President, Deputy Speaker, and the Speaker. We have never had it easy like this. It's the same thing people complain. Once the special law, every time anything that pertains to FCT, the National Assembly takes it as if they are the only people. I don't know. They should ask God. We want to thank you people for the special love you have for FCT. You have given us special attention, and we did promise you we will not disappoint you, and I'm sure you are not disappointed, to the glory of God. 17 days to commission project is not 7 days. 17 days. And that's why those who are criticizing, instead you choosing not to see. If God gave you eyes to see, He said, I will not see. Then be blind. Then be blind. God gave you eyes. He said, God, I will see. Then be blind. It's nobody's fault. I call on those who do not know, who said they will not see. Please, see. See. Come to Abuja and see that President is working. So, all of us, as politicians, yes, we must criticize. Yes, there's no doubt about that. But in criticizing too does not mean that you don't see. We are not flagging off. We are commissioning. Don't say it's not correct, they will the flag off. No. People are criticizing the government center. You know, there are people naturally who don't have good taste. They don't have good taste. The only thing in that international conference center that was not changed is just the block work. Everything in that international conference, Bola Ahmed, Tinubu International Conference Center, everything was changed. If you love this country, you cannot criticize. It's not about I wear only one shoe, telling people lies. It's a lie. It's not about I carry my bag. No. Nigeria, as a giant of Africa, must not only show that they are giants, people must see what makes it to be giant of Africa. Nobody that loves this country will criticize that international conference center. One media, I don't normally watch them. But somehow, by spiritual directive, I have to turn on. And I saw somebody, I don't know his name, normally I don't like to know people's name who don't have anything to offer. I said, that they did not name the Naira Government Center to somebody who built it. Nnamdi Azikiwe Airport was not built by Nnamdi Azikiwe. Moshood Abiola Stadium was not built by Moshood Abiola. It was built with 240 million. Which year? 1991. What was the exchange rate in 1991? And compare the exchange rate. People will just sit down for the sake of criticizing. look at it, say 1991 and 2025. And then they did it with so billion, 38 billion. So what? We have taste. We want the best for the country. And the president has given the best for the country. If you did not do well to defend your boss when you had opportunity, it's not our fault. You were there. They were hitting your boss left, right, and center. You couldn't defend your boss. I'm here. I will defend my boss. And I have the capacity to defend my boss. If you want to die, I have a lot of land. Then they fear you, oh, yeah. Then they fear you, oh, yeah. Then they fear you, oh, yeah. And they say we say then they fear you, oh, from our body, oh. I have now to give you where they will bury you. I'm not afraid of that. After our population is too high. So if you want to die, you die. Because you choose to die. Why would you not commend somebody who has done well? You are not happy that they name you after Mr. President. Go and kill yourself. I have done it. And I have no regrets at all. You say, oh, they gave to Senate President. He said, if I don't give to Senate President, it is you that in television telling us every day that we will give to. A man who has been giving us support. If I give to Speaker, it's problem. When it is their own turn, don't give. This is my own turn. And the FCC administration has chosen what to do. You cannot direct me. Somebody says it's a misplaced priority. You that cannot win the election is telling us misplaced priority. If you have priority, I just have voted for you now. It's not about social media. You say you will run an election. Wait. 2027 is here. Then don't need to kill ourselves. When John will mature, we will know. So, Mr. President, as I speak to you, I promise the traders where we are sitting now, we are going to dualize this road. We are going to dualize it. So as to finally kill any about traffic in this area. 2, we have told the mechanic chain, they said since 2011, they have promised them they will relocate them, they will do this. Ours will not be promised. Ours is that we are going to do it. And Mr. President, we are not only going to do it, I will supervise it. I will share the relocation. Mama, we don't follow Tinubu go. Mama, we don't follow Tinubu go. If you see my mama, tell them we don't follow Tinubu go. So, if you do for me, if you fall for me, that's what this word is. You do for me, I do for you. You fall for me. So, those of them who are angry, continue to be angry. May you never be happy in your life because you choose not to be happy. We are not tired. We continue to work. So, I have told anybody, criticism, they are not interested. Mr. President said yesterday, but it's not here to please you. I'm not here to please unnecessary critical. I'm here to please the residents of Abuja, not unnecessary critics. No, I have no business with you. In fact, I will continue to give you high blood pressure. So, 17 days. It has never happened in the history of this country where a president will commission projects from day 1 to day 17. Not flag off. I'm talking about what? Commissioning, not flag off. There are difference between flag off and commissioning. So thank you. Even if you don't come again, this way you have come. You have shown exceptional love to the people of Abuja and the FCT administration. And we will not disappoint you, we will continue to support you. Abuja people, traders who are here, you know, you people too, sometimes the way you behave, I don't understand. You allow people to come and deceive you and tell you lies. People have made promises to you. Nobody has fulfilled the promise. Now this man came. He said, our poor people, don't worry. I'm going to do the road. He has done it. I'm going to relocate you. He will relocate you. And you are giving attention to those who you don't know whether their name will be in the ballot or not. Up to now, they've not settled about themselves. The which of the coalition, is it the left or the right? Coalition that was born and died the same day. Mr. President, I want to invite you to come and talk to these your people. Give them the reassurance. The New Hope agenda is real. It's not theory. Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you sure? Time will tell you. When that time comes, I will come back. And I'll say, you promised me if I give, you will give. Now I'm giving you. When the time comes, give me. Let me go. Mr. President, I have invited you to talk to your people and then inaugurate this Akpoti-Uduaghan Road. Thank you. God bless Please be seated. The Deputy Senate President, my brother, Senator Barau Jibrin, CFR, our National Chairman, the National Chairman of the only political party that is together in Nigeria today. I recognize you. Our host, the Honorable Minister of State, and also the main Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, my brother Reuben and my sister Naira.
the principal officers of the National Assembly, particularly the Senate, led by Distinguished Senator Reuben. Let me also recognize particularly the chairman of FCC Area Council, Distinguished Senator Jimmy Kuta, is looking at this. This is your area. Your Excellency, amongst us is also the Deputy Whip of the Senate, as well as many distinguished senators, members of the National Assembly. We have your colleagues in the coalition, distinguished former governors of Abia State, of Benue State, my in-law of Enugu State, the fiery former governor of Ekiti State, I won't mention Fire. Then, of course, to show the combination, the two vice chairmen of the two political parties, the APC and the PDP. Again, for the APC, the faction is known. For the PDP, the faction is not yet known. But I pray that, like the President said, he doesn't want a one-party state for Nigeria. He's praying that the opposition will put their house, try and put your houses all together before the next election, so that nobody will accuse anybody of trying to stifle the opposition. But if you expect me, as a representative of the President, to leave my job as Senate President, to come and share over your troubles in order to put it together, I will not do that. And that's why the President said he wants you to come together. But if you cannot come together, he will not help you to come together. This is politics. And you never come together where you continue to tell lies on a daily basis. Everything you criticize, nothing is good in your country. Was Nigeria like this in 1960? Was Abuja like this 3 years ago? Let me recognize all the stakeholders of our nation, our women, our children, and the users of these roads. And recognize the contractors, CGGC, and other, the ambassador of the Republic of China in our midst. I'm happy to see you. I'm here to represent the performing President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR. I congratulate the stakeholders of the FCC, as represented by the Minister of the FCC, Pro-Wike, on the Democracy Day 2025. Honourable Minister, congratulations for the gift of the 17 days commissioning of projects, real projects, tangible projects in the FCC. Let me use your Minister of State to also touch the management of the FCC and FCDA, and all the component parts that make up the Federal Capital Territory Administration for the wonderful job that you are doing. May I say on my part that I was the minister administration. I can't remember a day that I went for commissioning of any projects in the FCC. Last year, you gave us numerous projects to commission. This year, you repeated the same thing. And like you said, for the next 17 days, we will continue to commission projects. I'm sure the national chairman of APC, Alhaji Umaru Ganduje, is very proud of the Minister of LCC and his team. Sir, congratulations to you. Your party is doing well. Distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen of the press, I'm here to represent the President, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who was with us yesterday, a day before yesterday, and even 3 days ago. He has asked me to come and commission the Outer Southern Expressway, OSEX, Phase 2, from Ring Road 1 to Wasa Junction in Abuja. And like the minister described, 5 kilometers they had to cut through the rock in order to be able to bring about this road. The minister has also promised the mechanic village that have been here since 1991, and were promised that they will be relocated. That yes, indeed, he will relocate them, and they said they are happy. They express it by answering you that they are happy. Our Minister of FCT, Wike, if there is something I know about you, is the fact that you don't like anybody breaking agreement. Agreement is agreement. So today you have an agreement with the good people of the FCT. The President told you yesterday, do not mind, continue to deliver. Nobody will remember you for the way you answered your critics. They will only remember you for the legacies that you are leaving on ground. And we are seeing the legacies. On my part as Senate President, I happen to live very close to the villa. And one of the beauties that I still can't comprehend is leaving the villa and passing through that flyover that joins the villa and Asokoro. Each time I pass there and I look down, I get a feeling that yes, indeed, God is alive. I want to thank you for that construction. You said people refuse to see what you are doing. They will never see, because it is you. If they were the ones, they would have seen. But I can tell you that even the blind that walks through this Wasa road will know that yes, indeed, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the President, Commander-in-Chief of Nigeria, is walking. They will know, because even using their sticks, they will not touch the rocks that you have moved. They will not see the potholes that were here before. Please continue the good work. So the President is very delighted to join you in commissioning this newly constructed left-hand service carriageway of the Outer Southern Expressway, also Stage 2. This road stretching from Ring Road 1 junction all the way to Wasa Junction is a significant addition to the road network in the heart of Abuja. This very vital infrastructure boldly demonstrates our commitment. This is the voice of the President now. It demonstrates our commitment to sustainable urban development, enhanced mobility, and improved quality of life for the people of the Federal Capital Territory, and by extension to all and visitors alike. The Outer Southern Expressway is Abuja's key transport backbone. It connects the city center to rapidly growing districts such as Apo, Logogoma, Godo, Wumba, and Wasa. Over the years, population growth and residential expansion have placed increased pressure on our road network. Today, with the commissioning of this left-hand service carriageway, we are addressing that challenge head-on. I commend the Federal Capital Territory Administration, led by the Honourable Minister, Pro-Wike, and the contractor, Mr. CGC Nigeria Limited, for the impressive pace and quality of work. Through Wike's leadership, uncompleted projects have been reactivated and delivered with discipline, quality, and timeliness. To the residents of Abuja and the surrounding communities, your safety and your confidence, please protect the road, use it wisely, and let it serve as a pathway to increased economic opportunities, safer transportation, and stronger community growth. As we commission this road today, I want to reassure Nigerians that it is part of a broader national infrastructure agenda, including superhighways, bridges, railways, airports, and much more that you can imagine. These projects aim to lay solid foundation for a more productive and prosperous Nigeria. I also want to express my gratitude to the citizens of Abuja and the surrounding communities for their patience and support during the construction of this project. Your understanding Well, on that note, I am honored to declare the left-hand service carriageway of the Outer Southern Expressway OSEX Stage 2 officially commissioned in the name of Almighty Allah. God bless you all, and God bless the FCC administration, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.